Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find wallpaper and style. As you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and we can simply change the wallpaper just by tapping on this option. Just a quick disclaimer about the wallpaper colors and basic colors. So here we can pick the colors which will be applied to kind of menu of this device. So they can be just taken from the wallpaper, so they will match the wallpaper. Or here we've got some basic colors, so as you can see, we can pick some kind of solid options if you want to. So we can change it, for example, after changing the wallpaper, or just leave it alone. It's up to you. So let's change the wallpaper just by tapping on this option, as I said. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So of course we've got My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and you of course can set your own photo as a wallpaper. We've got some Come Alive, so I would say which you can download. Here you've got the Living Universe, and again you can download them. And here some kind of community lens, curated culture, Google Arts, even landscapes, and so on. So that's up to you. I will pick maybe something from those options, and as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from here. So if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on the home screen. You can change kind of the position of the photo of the wallpaper. It's up to you, of course. And you can check how it will look like on the lock screen. So as you can see, this is the lock screen view. Here you can tap on this info icon and learn more. So you can see that this wallpaper is called Totem, and so on. You've got more information. Here, just by tapping on these arrows, you can kind of enlarge the photo, enlarge the wallpaper, so you will be able to see how it will actually look like in real life. So you don't have to get back. If you're happy with your choice, of course, just tap on Set Wallpaper. And as you can see, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the home page, and we've got our wallpaper applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.